Hello dear students, welcome to the e-learning class of social science. Today we are going to start with chapter number 14, Transport and Communication, part 1. This part contains transport and different modes of transport. Okay, so let's start. Do you know that how early human beings used to travel from one place to another? Yes, they used to walk on foot to move from one place to another. They used animals to carry things from one place to another. Then what happened, Early humans learned how to build carts with the help of wheels. These carts were pulled by animals, which made carrying things from one place to another easier than before. Then came the invention of steam engine, which was a turning point in the history of transportation. Later on, what happened? Different types of transport came into existence, like with the help of diesel engine and electric engine. People used to improve the transportation of goods to a great extent. Now, the invention of wheel changed the way people traveled. Nowadays, we have metro trains which have made it very easy for the people to travel within a city also. It is much easier for people to travel around the globe now. So let's start with the different modes of transport. How many modes of transport are there? There are four modes of transport. First of all, it's roadways. For example, cars, buses, bicycle, etc. Then comes railways, which includes passenger trains, goods trains or metro trains. Then comes waterways. Waterways includes boats, ships, etc. Then comes airways, which includes aeroplanes, helicopters, etc. So, one by one, we will see all of the above. First of all, starting with roadways. Now, what are roadways? First of all, see, roads are divided into two types, Pakka roads and Kacha roads. So, first of all, we will see Kacha roads. Now, Kacha roads are the roads which are made up of sand and mud. These roads are improper and difficult to travel during monsoon. You all have seen the roads in villages, right? They are Kacha roads. Now we will see Pakka roads, which we usually see in towns and cities. These roads are made up of cement, tar, concrete and pieces of bricks. These roads are fit for use all around the year, right? Now, we will see some important part of roadways, like special roads are also built which connect cities and towns with each other. What do we call them? These types of roads are known as national highways or freeways or expressways. Okay, now the countries are also connected by these roads. So, what we call them? These are known as international highways which connects the countries all together. So, you can see on a map here from Kolkata to Peshawar, one road is made or built with blue color, right? So, this one is a Grand Trunk Road, which is the largest network of roads in the world. And this road measures 35,000 kilometers altogether. Okay, so India has one of the largest network of roads in the whole world, and that is Grand Trunk Road. Now we are moving towards our next mode of transport, that is railways. Railways are the cheap mode of transport and it was introduced in India in 1853 by British people. The first train in India ran between Thane and Mumbai. Now, do you know how many types of trains are there? Let's see. First of all, it is passenger train, okay, which carries people from one place to another. Second one is goods train, which carries goods from one place to another. Next comes metro trains, which run within a city such as New Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai, Chennai, etc. And these trains are used by people to cover short distances within the city quickly. Now we are seeing the different pictures on the screen, right? What is that? This is one kind of express train which connects two different countries. See, Grand Orient Express is the express which connects Paris in France to Istanbul in Turkey. Do you know India has the fourth largest railway network in the world, and the US of America has largest network of railways in the world. Okay. Now, this, can you identify what is that? This is the tunnel which is built to travel through hills. Okay. Now, this is the interior of the tunnel which you all have seen while traveling under the tunnel, right? So, do you know that Gotthard base tunnel in Switzerland is the longest railway tunnel in the world? Now, we are moving towards our next mode of transport, that is waterways. The most ancient means of water transport were rafts and canoes, as you can see the picture of them. After that, these were replaced by boats and ships. After the invention of steam engine, ships started running on diesel. This helped to carry goods and raw materials easily from one place to another. Waterways are of great importance to the country, and they require very less maintenance, as well as it is the cheapest means of transport. Okay, ports are the area which connects a country to the rest of the world through waterways. Now, what are ports? They are places where ships are loaded and unloaded with goods. Okay, there are total 13 major ports in India. Now, moving towards the important sea routes in all over the world. First of all, the Suez Canal connects Swiss port in Red Sea to the port said on Mediterranean Sea. Next is Panama Canal connects the Pacific Ocean with the Atlantic Ocean. Next, the North Atlantic route, which is the busiest route in the world, connects North America and Western Europe. And when we come to the South Atlantic route, it joins North America and Europe with South America. Okay, now do you know there are different types of waterways also? Let us see. Waterways, they are of two types. First, inland waterways, and second, oceanic waterways. Inland waterways are within the country, like rivers, canals, etc. They are inland waterways. If we are talking about oceanic waterways, they include seas and oceans, which connects different countries, okay, which is out of a particular country. Fine. Now we are moving towards the last mode of transport and the most fastest and expensive mode of transport, that is airways. The Wright brothers flew first aeroplane called Flyer in 1903. Airways is the fastest and most expensive mode of transport. This you all know, right? It covers long distances in less time. Fine. Now, how many types of air transport are there? India has both government run and private airlines. Government run airline includes Air India. Okay, and private airlines are Indigo, SpiceJet, Vistra, and Air Asia. So these are different types of air transport in India. Now, do you know that there are different international airports also in India? Let us see with the help of a map. Which all are they? First of all, it is Indira Gandhi International Airport in Delhi. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport in Kolkata. Third one is Chennai International Airport in Chennai. And last major airport is Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport, which is in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Right. One more is mentioned in the map. This is also now a major international airport, that is in Karnataka. Okay. Now we are moving towards the use of airways. How airways are mostly used in the time of disasters. Okay. Aeroplanes and helicopters are used to bring food and medicines to people in times of disaster like tsunami, earthquake, etc., and to rescue people. So, this was all about the different modes of transport. I hope you all enjoyed the part 1 video of your chapter. In the next part, we will be covering about the communication and different types of communication. Okay, till then, take care and thank you.